Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。And Leo's here. How about another proverb? 因为有你在啊，我现在客语的谚语也越来越会了哦。
我觉得啊，你的客家话也越来越好了耶。
没有，什么名啊，安子 C 啊，
讲的标准99分，
真的好，
满分1000分哦，没有啦，
没有，有时候差1分很好，这样才会更努力，对不对？
对。
好，今天要教什么样的谚语呢 ，Leo？
好，今天来教大家一句哈，念小怕人，
念小怕人，
一丝无声，
一丝无声。一事无成，我真的客语比较进步了，我感觉是一事无成的感觉，听起来
没错，
对不对 ？Okay, I kind of understand the last part of that proverb. It means you're not getting anything done， 就是什么事情都没做好。那前面我真的要需要你解释了。
好，念就是捡东西的那个捡，念起来，东西掉到地上嘛，来念起来，念烧就是拿烧的东西，拿热的东西。
OK，
然后还有怕冷，
你
什么意思？
这好矛盾哦，
很矛盾，对不对？
你怕冷又去拿热的东西 ，OK 啊？
其实他的意思就是说啊，这个你做事情啊，就挑三拣四啊，就是拿东西说，这个太烫了，然后一下说就太冷了。
不是说这个人怕冷，
对，不是。
I see. Interesting. That's a great way to describe something. The first 4 words, 念小怕冷. Okay, that means you're picking something that's hot, but then you're also afraid of something that's cold. It kind of means you're very picky. And if you're picky, you can't get anything done. 就是这样挑东挑西的，就会一事无成嘛。
对，就挑三拣四啦。我觉得一个人就是要有勇气接受挑战，接受挑战，这样呢才可能会成功哦。成功
that's to be successful. Let's hear this whole thing entirely in English.
Nothing will be accomplished if you fear both the heat and the cold. This proverb is about those who don't dare to try anything due to the lack of courage and determination. If you try nothing, in the end, you accomplish nothing because you've already failed even before you started. This proverb also tells people that whatever they do, they must be willing to accept challenges if they want to succeed.
And Leo, could you please repeat the proverb? 再讲一次我们的今天的谚语。
念小怕人，一事无成。
And there you go, another edition of Let's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
安子 C 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.